44 na tayo guys, nakakatawa na ano din, parang pero amazing kasi 'di ba, the way we've achieved and we're thriving for 2025, and I'm so excited for next year. We're pushing the limit, we're raising the bar higher for 2026, and whatever growth na ma-achieve DVC, kasama kayo dun. So we're raising the bar high. That's our theme for next year. So be intentional with your growth. Huwag kayong mag-intay lang in the sidelines, and attend trainings. Alamin nyo kung ano yung mga weaknesses nyo and work on it intentionally. This is your becoming to being a true champion talaga. A true champion. Hindi lang normal na VA. Okay, so I'm really excited for 2026. Focus on yourself. Be very intentional in growing and training. So yun yung goal ko for you, or gusto kong i-manifest for next year. Talagang mas marami pa tayong partnerships, marami pa tayong strategic na mga partners and affiliations. Enjoy your times with your loved ones, yung Christmas. So be grateful and celebrate that this is a win for us, for everybody. Merry Christmas sa inyo.